Hey guys, you want to know how to create effective course worksheets and resources? I feel like it's really important because it does make a big difference in how your audience learns. So here's the exact steps so that you can create effective course worksheets. Okay, so the first one is something that I talk about in both my Passion to Profit and my Passion Course Startup Kit, but it's writing down your learning objectives. And before you start your course, this is something that needs to be done first, okay? And if you're able to write those down, if you're able to figure out what those learning objectives are, which should be the result, which should be the solution. So if you are able to do that, you can create effective course worksheets that keep your audience engaged, keep them motivated, keep them focused because one, they know exactly what they're getting. They know that end result because that's what your learning objective said. And two, it helps you create relevant and meaningful content so that you can stay focused, stay organized, stay on top, which is what you want to do. The second thing you need to do is another big one that I talk about. Identify your target audience. You have to understand and know what their needs are so that you can not only create something that they can relate to, but you can put the right message in front of them so that they're going to be enticed to want to know what you have to offer. Now, if you know exactly the needs and the interests, this is going to help you create the content that they're going to want. You will be able to determine the appropriate tone, the appropriate message, the appropriate level of complexity in the course, the level of complexity in the course worksheet, and the resources. Number three, choose the right format. There are various formats that you can choose from, but if you, again, know your target audience needs, preferences, what they like, you can choose from various ones. This could be worksheets, this could be interactive worksheets, this could be online resources, or it can be, printable, customizable worksheets. Either way, no matter which one you choose, you want to choose the one that is right for your target audience, but also best for your learning objectives. Number four, using visual aids. Very important. Everybody, if you want somebody to stay engaged, use visual aids. So you can use charts, you can use diagrams, you can use images, anything that's going to help your students understand complex concepts and retain the information better. But you want to make sure that you're using visual aids sparingly. You want to make sure that it adds value, most importantly, and then, of course, that it's relevant to your course. Number five, you want to incorporate interactive elements such as quizzes, assessments, customizable worksheets, games, group activities, anything that will keep them engaged and active. This type of course material is just going to make learning fun, and that's exactly what you want. You want it valuable, you want it educational, you want it fun and engaging. So this is going to help, provide that. And of course, always proofread and edit before you send out. Let me tell you, when I first started, I did not proofread and I did not edit at all. In fact, I don't know why I didn't do it, to be quite honest. I guess I got so excited and I had a lot to do and I just built some things and I just kind of sent it out. And when I went back to check on it, misspelled words. There was quite a bit on some of them and it was kind of embarrassing. So proofread, edit, take a look at it, review it, and then you can send it out. Just always check for errors and make sure it's clear. Check for clarity. That way, you know that they're getting valuable information. They're going to learn from it, and it doesn't look like a 2-year-old wrote it. So, by following those steps, this is going to actually help you create effective course material. So, learning objectives, determining your target audience, making sure you choose the right format for your learning objectives, like it makes sense for your learning objectives. Visual aids, making sure that using sparingly, but you use visual aids to help, your audience or your students understand what it is that you're providing, maybe a little bit better. And then, of course, incorporate interactive elements, very important. But again, proofreading and editing, don't forget that. But using all of those should help you when you're going through and creating your course worksheets. So my name is Rachel with Inspire Purpose. I am a course creator and a web designer. And if you did find value and you can implement this in your course creation today, hit the like button or subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.